In this video, I'll show you how to remove the background from a video in Premiere Pro. Okay, to get started, I just added a video I'd like to remove its background. First, under your video preview, click on this little wrench button, then select Transparency Grid. You won't see a change right away, so let's go to the Effects panel and type Color Key into the search box. Drag that onto your video clip. Now, in Effect Controls, click the Eyedropper under your Color Key effect, and click on the background to select its color in your video preview. Increase the color tolerance until the background is removed. Okay, I'm noticing there's still some blue around the lines, so what we can do is increase the edge thin to get rid of that. This looks better, but we can also increase the edge feather a bit to make it look less jaggy. That's all for me. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.